Hi, today I'm gonna be opening the dart bringer. I'm sorry. Now let's open. Oh wait. This is what it looks like. I'm going to open it. Oh wait, just open it. Yeah. Oh, I can already see it. Oh my god! Oh. Okay. Let's get this thing out. My god. Oh, that's just nothing. Oh, the code! How do you open this? I saw a few videos. Oh, it looks like that. Okay. Can I stay close? Oh, let me do it. And now get this. Why is everything so hard to do? I'm gonna need you again. Oh my god. Yay! No, it's hard to put these on, but get in. Get in. I'm struggling too much. I think I got it. No, I didn't. Okay, I'm gonna do this first. Wait, isn't this the code? Ooh, I'm not gonna show it to you guys because you could steal it, and I'm not gonna be able to get my dart bringer. Okay. Could this one go faster than the other one? Still, I'm gonna put it like that. Just see if it's easier. Trying to do both at the same time. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Gosh. I think I got it. Yeah, I did. That's one. Gonna have to remove.
Do you need help?
No. I think I did it. Yeah. Okay. Why is this so hard? Okay, I'm just gonna say that I did it. Wait, what? What? What happened? Oh my god. Okay. Can this thing work? What did I do wrong? Do I have to put this in? Okay. Now we're looking at her. Oh, thank you. Now back to me. Put your hands up. This is a robbery now. Well, that was nice. I got a Jaliga porque agora eu vou